Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you what inside a security web camera. So we all use different type of webcam or different types of security cameras. This security camera is basically a infrared version, that is night vision security camera. So let's have a look into the inside component of the camera. So let's have a look. So here is the infrared unit. These are all infrareds, LEDs. Here is the IR cut. This is basically a LDR and it helps this unit to turn off and on depending on the external light. So as soon as the external light, that is the sun, goes off, so it will activate this infrared unit. So here is the lens part. So you can see it here, friend. Just under the lens, this is the drive unit or drive PCB of the camera, and it is again connected with the second PCB. The second PCB basically helps this infrared unit to activate and deactivate, and all the connections you can see it here. It is given as LED plus, LED minus, 12 volt. This is 12 volt supply, and here is the CDS. So this connection goes to the LED and LDR unit. You can see it here. It is connected, and the VG output, that is the main output, comes from the camera is with the help of these three wires. This is for mode changing wire, ground, and this is the video output, and these two is basically for 12 volt input. This wire connect with IR cut. As soon as the infrared unit will activate, the infrared filter will deactivate, and as soon the infrared unit, the infrared LED deactivate, the infrared filter inside this lens will activate. So this is basically, because infrared is basically a colorless vision, only for night vision, and this one in daylight you don't require infrared, so it deactivate and the IR filter activate, and vice versa. In the night time this infrared unit activated, that is infrared LED will activate and the IR filter will deactivate, and the total system will be controlled with the help of this LDR. So I will show you. I will plug it with 12 volt and I will show you how it works under light and how. So let's connect it with 12 volt and power it on. So friend, I have connected it with 12 volt unit. You can see it here, and now I will activate it. But you can see nothing happens because the light is on. So as soon I will put off the light, you can see the infrared unit will be activated. So friend, you can see that the infrared unit is activated, and as soon you will put on the light, the infrared unit will be deactivated. You can see it here. So you can also check by making an obstacle on this unit LDR, the infrared may glow. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe SMD Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.